Hello everyone, it's Florida to the Philippines. Today's show is a cooking show, Filipino style. This is Nita. I'm Edward. Wow, that was pretty close. What are you making today?
I'm making your Filipino chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice. Oh, look at that.
Chicken, rice, onion, garlic, and seasoning.
Wow,
It's gonna be yum.
smells good already. What else you got here? You got fresh onions,
Rice.
fresh onion,
Oh, you don't want me to put egg?
rice.
Yeah, you don't want egg.
You can do a little egg if you want.
You're allergic to egg.
Not if it's a little bit.
Okay.
I'm not really allergic, it just, I don't know. So how long do you have to cook the chicken for?
When it's no.
Like tender?
When it's tender.
Okay.
And after this, I take them off, put the onion, put the scrambled egg there, with the egg, and fried rice.
Wow. Looks delicious.
It's gonna be yum.
It's gonna be yum.
Yep.
Alright. It's cold today, by the way. It's like 55 degrees in Florida. It's ridiculous.
Well, by December in the Philippines, oh, it's December 1st, it's December 1st there. It's gonna be cold like this.
No,
Oh, yes.
we were there in December and it was like 80 degrees.
But in the night, early in the morning in the night, and in 2 weeks, people, they start going midnight mass.
Yeah, maybe in Baguio up in the mountains it's freezing,
Yeah.
but not in the city. Angeles City was like 80 degrees in December. Like now, today's December 1st.
Yeah.
It was still warm.
It's cold and nice.
Oh, not cold. Cool.
Cool.
There's no such thing as cold in the Philippines. It's cold for people that are used to 90-degree weather all the time. But, well, it looks good.
Yeah, it's getting brown. This is the egg. I'm going to scramble it. Take off the chicken. Crack the egg. Yeah. I need salt and pepper. The mix one. Thank you.
Salt and pepper mix.
Seasoning.
No garlic or anything, or no?
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Salt and pepper. Really.
I have a feeling this is going to be a delicious lunch.
Now this chicken, they're ready. I think so. You know how you taste this, how they're ready. Get 1 pieces.
And you eat it.
Yeah. No blood in there. And let me put in the platters first. What the heck is this? I drop a little bit yellow white egg.
Oh, the yolk.
Yolk.
I mean, no, not the yolk, but the,
That white.
yeah, egg white.
You want like that. And put the chicken. I don't want the chicken run away like the one in what the channel what is
Oh, yeah, the
I miss
unexpected
it.
something.
Unexpected.
And the chicken came to life, the chicken breast, and started
Yes.
walking off the counter.
Yep. This one too, I don't want this. walk in the counter come alive. I just leave that there and put the onion.
What kind of onion? Red onion?
Red onion. It's always good, red onion. Just a little bit, make it a little bit, you know, so
Caramelized
that
a little
it's
bit?
spicy.
A little
A little
caramelized?
bit caramelize the onion. Now the onion been caramelized. The onion been caramelized. And here the scrambled eggs. People they scramble eggs separate to that onion, but this is yours. It's alright. And I'm gonna do this way. Until get firm.
Smells delicious.
Okay, the eggs done and the onion caramelized. I'm gonna put aside with the chicken, just like that. I remember when I'm taking a cooking school, you know.
Hmm.
I take cooking school 1980.
You used to work at a resort too, didn't you?
Yeah,
Doing,
cook.
Doing the
No, doing the
events or banquet?
banquet.
Oh,
Put a little bit oil because the frying pan get a little bit dry. Just maybe
just to coat it.
1 teaspoon because this is a non-stick frying pan. Like that. Just like that. Now, I'm gonna put white rice.
Is it cooked already?
Oh yeah,
Okay, so cooked white rice.
cook white rice.
Just do the stir fry, yeah. Fried rice.
Just make enough or just like that. Just be enough. Let me just like that.
It don't need more oil or anything like that,
No,
or
no, 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 because the chicken and we don't like too much oil. Too much oil, not good. Just enough. This is good rice. I'm using basmati rice. It's very good for
basmati?
making,
Is it like
yeah.
a jasmine rice or
Oh,
sticky
no.
rice?
Nope, nope. This is made I bought this organic, made in the top of the mountain in Himalayan
Oh, Himalayan.
mountain
Yep.
in India. It's a little bit expensive than the supermarket rice, but
It's a good rice.
oh yes, they plant these at least take 6 to 7 months to harvest. Not like in the supermarket, they only have like maybe 3 months they harvest the rice because they do
They
quick.
put hormones to make it grow quick now.
Yeah, the
And
best.
genetic modifications to make it grow quick or something.
Grow fast and get
Well,
harvest. This one, no, it's in Himalayan of the mountain. So, okay, this rice, ooh, it's almost. Then I put some seasoning like maybe your favorite soy sauce.
Is it homemade soy sauce? Because there's no label on it.
No, I put that
The special?
I put that in there because
Special
it's a
sauce?
big bottle.
Oh. I figured maybe you added something like brandy to it or something.
No, this
No?
is a big bottle.
No,
I
no
put
rum
it
in
up.
there? No.
And can you give me the garlic, please?
Garlic powder?
Yeah.
There you go. McCormick garlic powder. The
Yes.
best garlic powder. No, we're not getting paid to say that, but they're not a sponsor yet.
Just put garlic powder.
There you go.
Good for your blood pressure.
Hey, garlic's good. Yeah.
Yeah, I should put fresh, but you complain every time you eat with a fresh garlic.
Oh,
they
fresh garlic's the
come
best.
back.
Fresh-
Come back to you.
Fresh garlic's the best.
Yeah.
Like minced. You have to mince it real small though.
Yeah,
You can't
yeah.
make it big. You got to make it so it's not like the size of the corn. Because when you eat corn, it comes out the same size.
Yeah, no. I have really fine. I make my own garlic. Buy those organic garlic clove.
Cloves, yeah.
I chop it.
Boy, it smells good now.
Now, so it's not too whitey. With the seasoning.
Secret soy sauce. Ancient Chinese secret. No, ancient Filipino secret. There you go. Oh boy.
That's why they doing Jerry. Your what do you
No,
call
but
that?
Jerry's are like crab fried rice.
Crab rice.
But it tastes like crab and very buttery.
Yeah, because they put too much. Maybe they put MSG, but I'm not using
Oh,
MSG.
MSG is good. Oh my god. It makes you
No.
love it long time.
I'm not friend with MSG.
They used to say MSG was bad for you, but now it's not
No,
bad.
no.
They found out that it's really not bad
Yeah,
for
they
you.
give you
It
some.
just makes you addicted to the food. It makes you love it even more. Very
Yeah.
makes it very tasty.
They give that. Maybe they put some drug, some opium in there.
Opium, maybe. Maybe it's in the soy sauce.
Not in the soy sauce. Okay. Now, put the chicken.
Yay! Kind of big chicken, geez.
Oh, they're big chunk.
Yeah, too big for rice. It's gotta be small. It's tiny.
I can chop more.
Too big. Oh
You want me
boy.
to chop it?
Looks like chicken nuggets with rice.
Well, it's easy. I'll go get my cutting board.
No, you can't take it out now.
Yeah, you can chew it. You
Just
still
chop
have.
in there.
No, you cannot chop
All right,
it.
just
in
leave it.
there.
We can chop it and
You still can. You still have.
add the eggs.
Yeah, hang on. I don't want
I
the.
like tiny pieces in the rice.
Yeah, you can still
That's
chew it.
fine.
You still have a teeth.
Yeah, I'm not that old yet, but getting there. I got to go back to the Philippines soon, so I can get the rest of my teeth work done. In the Philippines, if usually costs anywhere between $600 to $1,000 round trip to the Philippines to like Angeles City Clark Airport. But if you get your teeth done in the U.S. and you need tooth work or whatever done, the dentist here charges almost $30,000, if not more sometimes, to get all your teeth done. In the Philippines, it's like only $3,000.
And you have a vacation.
Then you get a vacation,
And you have
get to
tips.
see great people. The dentists there are very friendly. They work
Work for
on
you.
honor. You know, by honor, they work with honor.
Now?
It's the Asian way
Here, put the egg.
with the onion.
Yep.
And
And just put all together, mix all together, and in few seconds, you're ready to eat.
wow, look at that. That looks amazing.
You don't, well, usually we put celery, but this is not a vegetable fried rice. It's only simple
Like chicken fried rice.
chicken fried rice with
Yeah.
eggs for you.
Well, that looks amazing. It's better than milk and cookies. Everybody watching knows what I mean. Eric's son, the Scratchaholic, his son likes milk and cookies. They're great people.
Let me taste it how it's... Oh no, it's really good.
Uh-oh.
Now I'm gonna get you platters.
Platters, uh-oh.
And put in the platters, and then you can...
Using a plastic fork? Why are you using a plastic fork?
No, just in the top, not in that thing.
Oh,
because I taste it. Now I get your platters.
Ooh. I like the platters. They sing good.
This platter. And...
Look at that. Oh my God.
Turn it up for me, honey, please.
Look at that.
Turn it up. Thank you.
Look at that. Whoa. Filipino chicken fried rice with egg and onion. Yum. Whoa, look at that. We're going to have to start a cooking channel for Nita. Call it Nita's Filipino Cooking.
Oh yeah, make apritada, make you paella.
Curry, paella, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know, but the Philippines is got a Spanish
food.
background, you know.
Yeah.
So a lot of Spanish foods.
Yeah,
They're even their language. Their language starts with a lot of Spanish, like "Cómo está?"
Like your favorite, what's that? Curry.
The curry, which is the peanut sauce, right?
Yeah.
Oh boy, it's really good.
Yeah,
Beef.
curry,
It's like a beef stew with peanut sauce.
And then you like...
It's delicious. Ooh, look at that.
Look at that. I hope you're hungry.
Oh, that's good. Jeez.
You're gonna eat. I put all these things in here. Eat as you can.
Oh my goodness, that's too much. Wow, look at all
No,
that.
eat as you can. I just put like that.
Oh, okay. Make a platter.
I put more rice. This rice is not starchy. Even your diabetic or thing, it's not starchy. Not like some regular rice.
So it's like brown rice, or?
No,
They say
this
brown rice
better
is healthy for
than brown rice. I don't want it brown rice. I get arsenic.
Oh,
I
okay.
get poison in the brown rice.
Oh.
I'm sorry to say that. But
The doctor said brown rice was good for you.
yeah, some people, but
Not
I
you.
used to
Everybody's body's different. Huh?
yeah, I eat a lot brown rice and I got...
Amazing.
Okay, there
Oh,
is
boy.
your pork. It's ready.
All right, I gotta try it.
There you go. Come in the table.
I gotta try it. Let me try some.
Oh, here.
Let me try some.
There's your pork.
I gotta try some of this. Get a little bit of meat.
Yeah.
A little bit of meat. Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Wow. That's delicious. I gotta get more.
Well, eat in there and eat as you can.
All right, folks. That is chicken a la Nita Filipino.
That's the cooking for today.
Thank you. Have a blessed day. We're going to do some scratch-offs later. God bless. Bye-bye. Stay warm. If you're in Florida, it's cold.